Hi, what's up everyone? This is Pawan and you are watching the channel Tech and Cook. In this video, I will demonstrate to you the procedure to clean your motorcycle spark plug and how to check the gap between the spark plug. Twin spark plug cleaning process is explained in this video for the motorcycle Discover 125 BS4 engine. First step is to remove the left hand side cover. To do this, insert the key and turn it in clockwise direction and pull the cover at both the ends top corners. The very next step is to pull the seat release cable to release the seat lock and lift the seat. There it comes. Under the seat, as you can see, there is a toolkit which is provided along with the purchase of the motorcycle and it's held by rubber straps. Pull the rubber straps to release the toolkit. From this toolkit, we need to take out plug spanner and screwdriver. Here you can see the complete tools required to clean the spark plug. This is the emery paper, it's C320 paper, and the screwdriver, plug spanner and a toothbrush. Let me show you the emery paper. As you can see, it's soft and thin. It's also used for wooden surfaces sanding. Now I will remove the spark plug. To do this, remove the cable, insert the plug spanner, take the screwdriver, and as you can see, there is a hole for the plug spanner. There you need to insert the screwdriver and turn it in anti-clockwise direction to loosen the spark plug. Apply some torque on the screwdriver. So once it loosens, then you can drop off the screwdriver and then with your hands you can turn it. Keep turning until you find it's out of the threads. Yes, it's here now. I have taken it off from the engine. The burnt dirt is accumulated around the tip of the spark plug and we must clean it around every 500 kilometers in order to keep the engine healthy and to increase the life of the spark plug. Now to the other side of the engine we have to take off the another spark plug since this bike is equipped with twin spark system. We're gonna have to follow the same procedure as before I have shown in this video. Remove the plug and insert the plug spanner. Then insert the screwdriver into the hole of the plug spanner, then turn it in anti-clockwise direction. Apply some torque to loosen. Once loosened, remove the screwdriver and turn it with your own hands. There it is. There comes off our another spark plug from the other side of the engine. This one is also accumulated with too much of dirt. We need to clean it in order to get best experience while riding the motorcycle. Now I have taken both the spark plugs out. Both are here. Looking into the owner's manual of this motorcycle, under the technical specification look into the spark plug model information. They specified any one of it. They are either Champion PRZ9HC or Bosch UR4AC type for both the variants of Bajaj Discover 100 or 125cc engines. It's also printed on the spark plug as I am showing here. In this manual it's mentioned to maintain the gap at the tip of the spark plug to be between 0.7 to 0.8 mm by bending the outer electrode carefully. I am using this feeler gauge to check the exact gap of the electrode. I am choosing two readings as minimum and maximum gauges, approximately 0.7 and 0.8 mm. which is combined. Now check for the minimum gauge. It's sliding and it's perfect. Now for the maximum reading, which could be under 0.8 mm. It's perfect as it's not sliding at all. Once we set the gap, the next step is to sand the spark plugs with emery paper. You can also check out my videos on motorcycle self-service which can be done on your own without any help of a mechanic. It's in my playlist. If you like this video then go ahead and click on the like button, share this video, comment your feedback. I will leave a link to buy the feeler gauge in the description below which can be purchased from Amazon online shopping. Once sanding is done, then use the toothbrush to remove the excess dirt and finally wipe with dry cotton cloth. There will be a washer attached to it. Make sure you don't miss it or drop off while cleaning the spark plug. Here are the cleaned and shining looking spark plugs. Both are looking like new. Now it's time to put back the spark plugs. Insert the spark plug and turn it in clockwise direction with hands until it comes to a point where you cannot turn it anymore. Use the plug spanner to do so. Now insert the screwdriver and apply some torque to tighten the spark plug. Don't apply too much torque as it may break the plug, else degrade the threads. Finally, insert the cable. You need to wipe out any extra dirt that stuck on the cable, press it and leave. One end is completed now. To the other end, follow the same procedure now. By the way, if you have any questions regarding this video or if you want to suggest me to make any new video, please let me know them in the comment section below with your comments. In my playlist, you can find videos with solution for simple problems in your daily life like household instruments and how to repair them and electrical equipments and how to fix them. Coming back to this video, I have shown you how to clean and adjust the spark plug. Please subscribe to my channel, many more videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next video. Till then, have a safe ride.